Hey there, welcome to another video of How to Infinity channel. Today I'll show you how you can make table using Microsoft Word. In our daily life, those who are in job sectors, they know that if spreadsheet analysis and making lists, making salary sheets are so much important, and it's for some of them this is their daily works. But we have weak knowledge in Microsoft Excel. I will make videos in Microsoft Excel in future. So those who doesn't have much knowledge on Microsoft Excel, they rely on Microsoft Word using tables. So today I'll show you how you can make tables using Microsoft Word. So for that, open a Microsoft Word document. See, here are so many options. We have to insert a table, so we'll click on insert. Then you can see there is an option called table. We'll click on this arrow and it will show us more options. There are many sections like insert table, draw table, Excel spreadsheet, quick tables. So I will explain one by one. Insert table, from here you can choose by selecting these tables, like these are the columns, these are the rows. The more rows or columns you choose, it will be automatically inserted in your Word file like this. If I select a 3x3 table, it will look like this. I can also select more as more I want, like this. The table is automatically created. So first let me introduce all the sections to you. Then this is the work of these sections. Like insert table, from here we can choose the number of columns and number of rows. Like there is a limitation in inserting tables from here. Like you can see there are only 10x8 options. But by clicking on insert table, you can make more and more columns and rows as you want. Like I can select here 11. And there are also three options: auto fit behavior, like fixed column with auto fit to context, auto fit to window. I will suggest you that you select fixed column with auto. That means your columns will be automatically resized as per your text. So you should choose fixed column with auto. Then if I insert this one, now our table has been inserted. So let me show another option. By using this, you can select tables directly. By using insert table, you can add more columns or the number of columns or rows you want in just seconds. Then draw table, you can draw a table. That means you can draw a table as you want, and the shapes. It depends on you. It's also easy one to draw table. You can choose or draw table like this. Just click on that, left click on the cursor, and it will draw tables for you. Like this. You can create as many as you want. So this was the behaviors of this was the options of draw table. And let me show you the last option, Excel spreadsheet. So you can also make Excel spreadsheet using this tool of Microsoft Word. So very easy. I will make another video on Excel later. So let me skip this one. And here we see the last options. We have already given some built-in table frames or some built-in table designs. You can select them for like calendar, enrollment, etc. So these are built-in. If you click them, they will be automatically inserted here. So let me start with one. Let me create a 18x8 table. So I'll choose this from here. Okay, my table is selected. Now we can see there are many tables. There is an option like table tools, by which you can design your table. I can design the colors, design the shapes, and design the formats of the table like this. If you select this, your tables will be changed like this. The colors are being changed. There are also many options. You can choose as you want. There are so many table formats. You can choose anyone from here, any types of, and you can also modify the table style. There are so many options. You can modify your table style so easily. You can change the PT size, and you can make your table borders more bold, etc. And here's a option called shading. These options is used for making your selected rows or columns colorful like this. You can make particular colors in each section by using shading. This tool is so much handy. You can fix the borders of your table, or you can make new borders in the table section. You can fix change the size of the table's borders. You can change the width of the table border. You can choose pen color. Also, you can use eraser to erase different types of parts that you already created. So this was all about table. You can easily create tables using Microsoft Word. Just I will show you again from the very beginning. You have to go to insert, then click on the arrow on the table, not table, or select this part of table. Then these options will be show up. If you want to make particular like more than 10 or more than 8 columns or rows, you can insert them from by clicking insert table. You can draw the tables. You can make quick tables, and you can I will show you how to merge 2 or 3 columns. So let me fix one. If you want to merge your rows or columns, let me fix these 2 rows that I want to merge. I will select them, then I will right click on my mouse. You will see that there is the option merge cells. If you click on them, your 2 rows will be merged together. To undo it, click Ctrl Z. And if you want to insert more tables to the right, more columns to the left, to the right, you can select it from like I want to add another row below. So I'll click here, and then I'll right click on the mouse. Then these options will be arrived. I will click insert. Then I want to add a new row below. So I'll click new row below. A new row has been added. So like this you can add also like this. You can also add columns. You can also split your cells. You can change the text direction, auto fit, bullets, etc. etc. So it's so handy tool, and by using Microsoft Word you can easily create your tables. And also how we can resize your columns or rows. You have to click on the border, left click. There you can see, you can hold it here, there, and the columns will be resized like this. You can make them bigger, you can make them smaller. So easy. If you want to merge 1 or 3 or more cells, just click on them and then right click, then insert. You can also insert numbers, and if you want to merge them, just click on merged. It will be all merged. So easy. So that was all for today. I will make broad videos on Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. So keep supporting, and if you like the video, leave a comment below, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. This was all about Microsoft Word, how to create table using Microsoft Word. So I hope you like the video and it will be helpful for you. So that's all for today. Thank you.